Okay, so here's a tutorial on how to use my academy. So to see the list of available courses, all you need to do is hover over the academy page or click on it, then click on the courses. When you click on the courses, you'll be redirected to this page where you're going to see the available courses. Okay, so for some of you who have gotten access already, or if you want to have access to any of these courses, okay, so the first step is actually you contact me on WhatsApp, and then you pay for one course, then I give you access. So when you contact me on WhatsApp, I'm going to ask you to actually visit the student registration page. So on this page is where you're going to enter in your email address, your password, and the username. When you create an account, okay, I will ask you to send me your email address so that I can give you access to the courses. Okay, once you get the access, the last step I'll do is I'll ask you to visit the dashboard. So on the dashboard here, this is where you're going to see or find the courses that you've paid for. Okay, so your dashboard is going to look similar to this one, but this is my dashboard as an admin and as your instructor. But once you enroll in of my courses, I will ask you to visit the dashboard, which is this one. Once you visit the dashboard, I'll ask you to visit or to click on enrolled courses. So on the enrolled courses, this is where you're actually going to find the courses that you've actually paid for. So there'll be enrolled courses, active courses, and there'll be completed courses. So what you just have to do is scroll down and click on start course to start on any of the courses that you've paid for. Okay, so this is the correct way of getting access to a course. Click on start course, because what happens, for example, if you visit the course page link directly, let me just show you. Okay, if you visit the course page directly and you start watching from here, okay, you will not be able to watch them because they will be still locked until you click on start or enroll. So simply click on any of these and you, okay, and this is how the dashboard looks like. It's very simple. So you'll be able to see your progress. As for me, I've completed over about 18%. So on the right side, this is where I'm going to find the list of topics, okay, that you need to watch. So they are currently this course, which is the affiliate marketing course. Okay, I think it has got two topics, and in the first topic, they are about, I think, uh, maybe 11 lessons or so, not sure. Then the last topic, which is this one here, it has got about 6 lessons. Okay, so remember, once you are done with the first lesson, you can click on the next button, here to go to the next lesson, or click on this button to go to the previous lesson. Then when you scroll down, this is where you'll be able to ask questions, okay, and here you'll be able to see some announcements. Yeah, so if you're using a phone, the dashboard is going to look a bit different, but it's just the same thing. Okay, so on your phone, it's probably going to look like this. Yeah, then now the list of topics and lessons is going to be down. Okay, so when you click on the plus, you'll be able to see the lessons in detail. So it's one and the same thing, but it's much better if you're using the desktop. So if you see that the right panel has disappeared, all you need to do is click on this button here to bring up the course content. Again, you can click on cancel here to make it disappear or to exit full screen. Yeah, so this is how you use the academy.